Hello and welcome to the channel. INEC started their defense yesterday at the Election Petition Tribunal and them don't talk new one. Them say technical glitch no fit affect the actual score of a candidate as the score na the score and it remain intact. Make I elaborate more on the news proper. Subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you. INEC. Technical glitches can't affect candidates' results. The 2023 presidential election substantially complied with the Electoral Act, the Independent National Electoral Commission INEC insisted yesterday. It told the Presidential Election Petition Court PEPC that the February 25th poll was free, fair, and credible. INEC's Assistant Director of Information Technology IT Department, Dr. Lawrence Bayode, said this at the hearing of the petition by Atiku Abubakar and the People's Democratic Party (PDP). Bayode, who was testifying as INEC's first defense witness, said whether or not images captured on the bimodal voter accreditation system (BVAS) were transmitted manually or electronically cannot affect the integrity of the election. While being cross-examined by Chief Wole Olanipekon Son, counsel for President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, Bayode said in practical terms, an election is completed at the polling unit level when the presiding officer sorts ballot papers, collates results, records the scores in the results sheets from EC8A, and announces them. Bayode added that the results recorded in Form EC8A by the presiding officer form the basis computation or collation of election results, either transmitted electronically or manually. He said images captured using the BVAS machine can only be transmitted where there are data services or internet networks. Under cross-examination by the lawyer to the All Progressives Congress APC, Lateef Fagbemi Son, Bayode said the technical glitches experienced during the last presidential election did not affect the actual scores of candidates because they remained intact. He said INEC did not engage in electronic collation of the results, stressing that collation was done manually. Bayode added that having not collated results electronically, INEC did not have an electronic collation system. The witness said he was aware that INEC announced 3 days before the February 25th elections that electronic collation of results was not feasible. Fagbemi later tendered through him a certified true copy (CTC) of the Nigerian Tribune newspaper publication of February 23rd, containing the said announcement by INEC that electronic collation of results was not feasible. Although the lawyer to the petitioners, Chris Uche Son, objected to the admissibility of the document, the court admitted it in evidence. The witness also explained the importance of a copy of the cloud trail log, which he referred to in paragraph 41 of his statement, and how he got it. He said the cloud trail log was downloaded from INEC's account on Amazon Web Services, AWS, adding that it serves as a monitoring tool for activities on the account. Earlier, while being led in evidence by INEC's counsel, Abubakar Mahmood Son, the witness adopted his written statement which he urged the court to deem as his testimony in the case. Mahmood tendered through him the copy of the cloud trail log, which he referred to in paragraph 41 of his written statement, which he said reflected the glitches experienced during the February 25th presidential election. Before the witness was invited, Mahmood tendered from the bar a certified true copy (CTC) of a letter dated July 6, 2022 from the APC acknowledged by INEC. On the cross-examination by Uche, the witness said he was aware of the final report released by the European Union EU Observer Mission that monitored the election, but had not read it. Uche then brought a copy of the report, tendered it as evidence, and it was admitted by the court even when lawyers to the respondent objected to its admissibility because the witness was not the maker and also said he was yet to read it. The witness was made to read portions of the report where the EU mission questioned the integrity of the election process. Subscribe, like, share, comment, and please turn the notification bell on. Thank you. Bayode agreed that the technical innovations introduced into the election process by INEC were meant to guarantee the transparency and integrity of the results. He said, although both the presidential election and that of the National Assembly were held on the same day using the same Beavers machine, not all results were uploaded to the INEC results viewing IREF portal that day. The witness said as of March 1st, when the winner of the presidential election was declared, not all the results were uploaded to IREV. On whether INEC filed a formal report on the glitches experienced during the election, the witness said his agency needed not to file any report. He faulted Ushe's claim that the Beavers was tampered with and that no glitches occurred that day. You are wrong. There was no human interference. Glitches do not happen with the Beavers machine. It happens in the transmission system, the witness said. When asked if he was aware that Tinubu did not score up to 19% of the votes cast in the Federal Capital Territory FCT, the witness said he was not aware. After Bayode's testimony, Mahmoud announced the closure of INEC's case, following which Olanik Bekon announced that his client will open defense today. Earlier in the petition by Peter Obi and the Labour Party, LP, INEC was unable to open its defense owing to the absence of its first witness. INEC was scheduled to open its defense in the case yesterday. At the mention of the case at about 9:30 a.m., Mahmoud told the court that although his client planned to call 3 witnesses within 3 days, the one slated for yesterday was unavailable because of some family issues. Mahmoud then applied for an adjournment till today to enable the witness to attend court. Lawyers to other parties in the case, Levi Uzukwo San for Obi and LP, Olanik Bekon for President Tinubu and Vice President Kashim Shettima, and Lateef Fagbemi San for the APC did not object to the request by Mahmoud. Presiding Justice Arunat Samani adjourned proceedings until 9 a.m. today. That's the news, guys. Thanks for listening. Until next time, bye.